In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Reddit threads as a PDF. You see this random thread I just got right here. So basically, what you could do is you go press the three dots and then press save page as, and you could just save it, and then you can open it up later. But as a PDF, what you want to do, you want to press print. Save as PDF. You see save as PDF right here. And you could pick the amount of pages you want. Say I want to print save all of them. Just press save and you can save it. Okay? But another better way to do it is go right here, delete the www, press put in old, and boom, now it has no pictures, no nothing, it's just straight text and straight information. And from here you could do the same thing I did. Go to print, save as PDF, wait, and boom, it's just straight text. It may look a little bit weird, maybe you could change the landscape. Yeah, boom, and just save it. Okay, and that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.